50 miles on a road like this, up and down mountains. No complaints from us. Look at that down there. Water's glacier color. Almost got blown off the side of the hill.
New Zealand and sheep go together like America and cattle. The South Island is teeming. There are more than 25 million sheep. That's 4 to 5 sheep for every New Zealander.
There's way more sheep than people. Colors like you've never seen. Hell, look at those pups. Gonna have to send the drone out. Man.
These scenes are from above the Rangitata River, and as always it was blowing 20 to 30 knots, so I had to fly low to avoid losing the drone over the water. Tekapo is the second largest of 3 parallel north-south lakes running along the Mackenzie Basin, tucked away in the Alps. As you can see, it is renowned for its exquisite and rich blue watercolor. The meltwater of the Alps gives it this light turquoise color from its glacial silt, and as you can imagine, it's never above 50 degrees.
I said I was doing something for YouTube and I thought everything you said was pretty funny. You were the doctor, the mechanic.
Yeah, and everything else.
And everything else. Yeah, but
So you're looking all right now.
Look at that. Cured.
Yeah,
Just like
fucking
that.
look at that.
Just like that. Just a little, you know, the guy
Oh,
first got, hey, look,
I know.
cured.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Happy.
Happy?
Yep.
All right, but that's my nickname. Actually, growing up, my nickname was Happy.
Was that?
Yeah, Harrison. But my parents called me Happy when I was young.
So what part of the States?
Florida.
Oh, okay, righto.
I spent a lot of time in that.
Like in Gator country.
Gator country, baby. The only place in the world.
And snake country.
Snake country. There's gators, crocodiles. Only place in the world where there's both. But this is our honeymoon. We've had ourselves a hell of a trip.
So where are you going to now?
Tekapo.
Okay, forget about Google Maps.
Okay.
All right. When you get to Tekapo, where are you staying in Tekapo?
Right on the bottom of the lake.
So when you get into come over the hill, you'll see the lake, and above that's an observatory.
Okay.
If it's a clear day like this,
Yeah.
go to the top, have a cup of coffee. Beautiful view.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Okay.
Take it easy, my friend.
See ya.
We drove almost 6 hours from Hokitika, but hurried to make it to the Mount John Observatory as Happy had suggested.
If you're wondering if it looks that blue in person, the answer is it looks even bluer. We were in the rainforests and the jungles and the beaches just a few hours ago, and now look at this. There she is. Look at that snow in the background still. She goes, there's lupins in our backyard. Not just a little bit of loops, a lot of loops. And then look at this. Look at that lake. I don't know if you can see it. And then look at this. From the beach to the alpine. Here at the top, the observatory. Where some of the best stars in the world. Hopefully we'll see them tonight. Ah. Look at those loops. Frolicking in the meadow. Lovely. This is like a perfect place to set up camp. HQ, Tekapo.
If you saw our Arthur's Pass video, you saw our first drone footage over the lupin fields. Tekapo is famed for its lupin fields, and they were blooming, so we frolicked.
This beer is pretty good. Not a big IPA guy, but it's good. Goes really good with Malaysian food. Restaurants here are kind of touristy, not that good. The food trucks work hard because they have to survive off the food. Restaurants just survive off the location. We parked the car backwards, out of the wind. The wind, as usual, does not stop howling in all of New Zealand. and opened the boot, as they say, and had ourselves a little Tekapo tailgate.
The hues of pink and purple contrasted against the mystical blue of Lake Tekapo, with the snow-capped Alps in the background, is a sight to behold. A sight to take your breath away and again make you question the reality of what your eyes are really seeing. The other awesome thing about Tekapo is that if you manage to stay up past 11 p.m. when it finally gets completely dark out, the stargazing is unreal. It is part of the Dark Sky Reserve, the largest area totally free of light pollution in the southern hemisphere.